Hey everybody. Today the sub plans are going to be to complete an assessment on the 4 questions. So if you go into the course in Schoology, you will see on today's date a assignment along with this video. So if you're in the calendar, you'll have already seen the video and you just need to open the assignment as well. Or you can look for it over here, and it's called Case Study on Answering the 4 Questions, Sexual Cannibalism, which is a type of behavior. It's got a good name. Um, when you open the case study, you're going to see something that looks like this. No, that's not it. There we go. You're going to see this assignment, and there's a written description of a behavior. Now, this is kind of an unusual behavior. The reason I've chosen this is because I'm asking you to focus on one of the 4 questions. I'm asking you to focus on the result of behavior. So you're going to want your topic 2 notes out if you'd like to be successful at this, if you'd like to do a good job of answering the questions on this page. And sexual cannibalism is kind of a strange behavior because it seems to violate what we think of as being the result of a behavior. So normally you think a behavior happens, it must do something good for the animal, right? But sexual cannibalism seems to break that rule. In the case of sexual cannibalism, one individual seems to benefit, the female who eats the male after they mate, but the male doesn't immediately seem to benefit. I mean, he dies. And so scientists were curious about the behavior because it seemed to break the rules of why an animal would do something. So why would this behavior become common? Why would males do this? And as you read this, you're going to even see it goes so far as to be that certain males will even intentionally sort of self-sacrifice themselves. If the female doesn't grab them after they've mated and eat them, they will push themselves against her fangs in order to kill them. And there's a couple examples of animals that do this. Praying mantises are one example. There's some spiders that do it. If you'd like to see a video of it, there's a video at the top here. Although the video is just more for kind of interest's sake to see what it looks like. But you'll read the case study and you'll read about the research that the scientists did and the data that they collected. Okay, so you're going to carefully read through this, and then you're going to go to your topic 2 notes, and you're going to look at what needs to be included in an answer to the question, what is the result of the behavior? Now, if you would like to get full credit for this, this is going to be included in your summative assessment of your ability to use the 4 questions. Same topic as the one that we did with the case study on riot behaviors. You're going to need to show me that you've read your topic 2 notes and that you're including all the things you need to include to fully answer the question. Additionally, there's data in this information here, specific numbers that explain things about their reproduction and things like that. If you're going to use, if that data helps support your answer and the data's in here, my expectation is that you're pulling it out and using it. Additionally, the answers need to all be written in your own words. So make sure that as you write this, you are writing your own answers. If you and somebody else work together and you just have the same answers, I won't be able to give you all credit for that as individual work. Okay. It's only 2 questions, but each one's going to require 3 or 4 sentences to fully explain your answer. So they'll kind of have 2 small paragraphs there after each of the questions. And the answers will be different because the result of the behavior is different for the female than it is for the male. Good luck. If you have questions about this, definitely bring them up with me in class on Thursday. And yeah, anyway, I will see y'all tomorrow.